Alright, gonna be changing out this railing. Had a little age on it. See right here, down here is rotten. Probably started by these two screws. It got moisture in it and just kept rotting. So I could patch this, but it goes way back in there. So why not just take a piece of 2x6 and just replace it? So what we're going to do is mirror it. Show you how to do that just a little bit here. And we'll continue. So pretty simply, I take this angle and place it to that angle. So I'm just going to take my saw, loosen up where it can change its pitch. I'm just going to match that same pitch to the saw. A little funky, but it can be done. So hold your plate down and move it to where it matches. You know, makes it a little more complicated, but that's okay. Again, keeping the plate tight. Get to it. Tighten your plate up here. Here's my new piece. So with me flipping that board around, you don't have that imperfection anymore. The imperfection is on this side, which is okay. And most of it's going to be cut off anyway. That's the idea. Get the best looking piece you want. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark this board the way I want it to look to match this down here. What that does is it reminds me I'm going to get the right angle. Good thing. So I'm going to come across here. And that looks really good. Transfer that up to here. I'm just going to clamp that on like that. What I want to do is when I cut, I want to hit that just where I want to hit it. That'll give me the angle that I need. I just run along that side. Here we go. You can see that is pretty close. It's close enough for me. So now that we have this, I'm going to put it down here, hold it down here. Now we're going to see up here, we're going to do the same thing. Check it. Plate's solid. That's solid. Flush. You can see now it's nice and tight. Plate's solid. That's solid. I'm going to move this up. That's the top. So the line I need to go is right across that. Yeah. This line across, a little bit longer because I want to. Can't keep an eye on you and do my work. No. You gonna come back if I tell you to? Okay. So I'm just gonna take a razor blade and just kind of get that off. Gets rid of all the crap. And I'm going to take my hammer and just give it a nice little bevel without having to do much of anything. Nice. Nice. But you can see I'm putting a nice little bevel on that. Just the hammer. You can use sandpaper if you want to, but I choose not to. Nice and level. So it just looks nice. That's it. Foot pit.